Hi there, it's Riva Rue with Rue's Creative Learning Curve. So today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to put a new needle in your Brother SE 1900 sewing machine. I've done a couple projects, it's time to change it out. So they suggest you take a piece of paper or fabric and we're going to put it underneath the needle so that if it were to fall off, you're not going to get it jammed down into the machine and just have issues with that. We don't want mayhem going on. Okay, so we've bought our needles, we've got a new needle, we've got the screwdriver. Here's our needle clamp right here that we're going to loosen. And something I want to show you is right above this number 6, you're going to see a little round dot up there. And actually, when that needle is inserted correctly, you'll see the top of it touches that little round dot. So once we take that needle out, when we put the new one in, it should be doing the same thing. So again, with anything that you do where you're working around the needle, you're going to want to lock it. So we're going to start off with looking at our needle, and you're going to take the flat side. It does have a flat side right there, and you're going to lay it next to something flat. And when you do that, you're just making sure you haven't purchased a bent needle, or if you're in question about the needle you're using, you want to make sure it's not bent, because I guess there's going to be a lot of issues with that. Okay, so let's get started. Turn this to the left to loosen, lefty loosey. There we go, and out comes the old one. You will see with the new needle, well, it's on the old needle too, but the needle has a flat side and that goes toward the back. So let's guide it right in there, gently put it up. I'm taking a look at it. Yes, I'm seeing the top of the needle right against the stop. So use our fingers to start it. And it reiterates or reminds us that we do not want to over tighten or be too aggressive. However, it also cautions us you don't want it loose, because again, there'll be issues. See, now when I snug it and it wants to slip this off, that's telling me it's snug enough. Okay, so that is basically it. You're going to unlock the needle position. If you took your foot off, put that back on and do a little trial with it. So we've got our new needle in and ready to go. 2 thumbs up. Yay. Happy sewing.